Hi, it's Andrew. So there are three questions that are the most Googled questions regarding real estate. The three top questions regarding real estate that are Google searched, okay? The first one is, when is the market going to crash? You know, people want to know, when is the bubble going to burst? Is this sustainable? When's it going to all fall apart, okay? The second question is, why is the market so hot? Why is it so hard to buy a house in this market? Why is there so much pressure on prices? Why is active inventory so low? That's the second question. The third question is, how much over full price am I going to have to offer in order to get an offer accepted, in order to get a contract into first position on a listing? So the first answer to the first question is, the economic factors are just not there to support that this is a bubble. The factors indicate, based upon an interview last week, Brian Buffini was interviewing Lawrence Yun, who is the National Association of Realtors chief economist, and the factors do not exist, fortunately or unfortunately, to say that there's going to be a derailment in our values and our pricing. A lot of it in the 2007, 2008 bubble burst, it was a mortgage crisis. It was basically kind of flimsy and bad mortgages, and people were upside down. People didn't have equity, and people were not really qualified to have the mortgages that they had. So that was a mortgage crisis situation, but the fundamental factors here are very, very strong for this to be sustainable. Another 20% increase this year, and then another increase in 2022. Maybe not to the point of last year or this year, but still moving forward in a very positive direction in terms of value. Second question, why is it so hot? Well, it's an inventory issue and it's a demand issue. People are leaving high tax states. People are moving to places where they feel like their dollar goes further. Fortunately or unfortunately, in Colorado, we're seen as less expensive. There are lower taxes here. There's a lower cost of living. And so people coming from higher priced areas, higher taxed areas, feel like we're super affordable and in some cases relatively inexpensive. And so that is, combining with a third of the home buyers being first-time home buyers, mainly millennials who are not bringing inventory to trade as they buy a house. They're not depositing inventory into the market. A lot of older adults, seniors, and folks of all age groups have been reluctant to get their house on the market because of the pandemic and COVID and fears of safety and concerns around that. We think that's in the process of changing some. And then again, builders can't keep up between regulations, lack of materials, cost of materials. The new construction inventory has just not been present. Finally, how much more than full price am I going to have to offer? That really depends. We study when we're assisting buyers making offers on houses. We look at not only the factors in the neighborhood. We look at the market trends over the last 30, 60, 90 days. And then we also actually take a look at the listing agent and some other factors and specific things around that. So that is where you need an excellent real estate professional that can be a trusted advisor and give you guidance specifically to the house, the week of the market, the length of time it's been on the MLS and so forth. And that will help you. So as always, please reach out to us if you have questions. We look forward to talking to you, whether you're interested in buying or selling. We think with careful guidance, you can feel safe and comfortable buying and selling real estate in this market. Have a great day. Take care. Bye for now.